Hi everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and I want to show you how this yeast has been super helpful when making bread. In order to get this, we had to use Red Start Quick rice yeast. We know this is a must whenever you're making bread. I love it because I see how the bread rises beautifully and it creates more open and airy texture. I also love this because it adds so much strength to the dough. If you don't add Red Start Quick rice yeast, your bread will not rise as tall, the flavor will be different, and the texture might not be what you're looking for. So whenever my husband's making bread, we definitely need to have Red Start Quick rice yeast at hand so the bread can come out delicious, the flavor can be exquisite, and we can fully enjoy. So if you're trying to make the perfect bread with the right texture and the right flavor, you definitely need to check this out, and that is my point of view.